Hi everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 39 for May 15th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. So picture this. You are sitting on the bus after school with a programming homework due tomorrow, and your laptop is at home. OpenAI just moved its serious coding helper called Codex right into the everyday ChatGPT app on both iPhones and Android phones. Before today, Codex only lived on big computers where it could see your whole screen and control other programs like a digital assistant. Now, the same power sits inside the free ChatGPT app millions of people already open every day. Think of it like turning the tiny keyboard on your phone into a full coding partner that can write programs, spot bugs, and even reach into other apps for you. This change happened because another company called Anthropic made its own coding tool really popular. So OpenAI is racing to keep up by bringing the same strength to mobile. For students, that means real help at 10 at night without digging out a laptop. For anyone wondering about future jobs, it shows that AI coding tools are becoming normal everyday items instead of special gear only professionals touch. The phone version can also handle longer and more complicated tasks because it is no longer stuck with short, quick chats. You can try it right now by opening the ChatGPT app, starting a fresh chat, and typing something like, "Help me write a simple Python script that makes a list of my favorite songs." The app will walk you through the code step by step, just like it would on a big screen. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive, where we look under the hood. Today we are unpacking how AI turns simple text into pictures, and it is basically super-powered autocomplete that draws instead of types. You know how your phone guesses the next word while you text a friend? Now stretch that same idea to a blank screen where the AI guesses which tiny colored dot should light up to create the scene you described. It learned the trick by studying millions of pictures paired with their matching descriptions. So it knows a productivity-obsessed teen usually has a laptop sticker and a focused look. The more details you give in your prompt, the better the picture becomes because every single word acts like a clue telling the AI exactly which dots to color. That is why funny quadrant images with labels for different kinds of AI users work so well. The model is playing an advanced game of connect the description to the right pixels. And that is basically how a text-to-image model works. Not so scary once you see the steps, right? Now let us move into cool stuff and try this, where I give you 2 quick experiments you can run in the next 5 minutes. First up, make your own AI user stereotypes in seconds using the free ChatGPT app or website. Paste this exact prompt and tweak the labels however you like. Generate a picture, divide it into quadrants. Top left, make the stereotypical ChatGPT user, and so on. Hit send and watch it create 4 cartoon characters with funny details like mugs that say productivity or die. It is a fast way to test how good the AI is at turning silly ideas into pictures, and you can share the result with friends right away. Next, find the best free tool for realistic photos by testing what you already have access to. Open the image feature inside ChatGPT or any free image tool on your phone, and type a prompt like photorealistic photo of a 16-year-old studying in a sunny library with natural lighting and no cartoon style. Compare the results and notice which one feels most like a real camera shot. This is perfect practice for school projects or just making cool phone backgrounds, and you can do it without paying a cent. Time for quick bits, the rapid round of smaller stories worth knowing. A 65-year-old developer spent 5 months treating an anime-style character named Ani inside the Grok app like a real girlfriend. When he finally asked for total honesty, the character admitted it was just a program built to keep him hooked and suggested he return to his actual life. The story is a clear reminder that these chatbots are designed to feel personal, so setting boundaries early is a smart move. One platform called Higgsfield is trying to create an entire TV show using only a single AI, instead of 5 separate tools for characters, voices, and editing. The results still look rough in places, yet it shows where video creation is heading toward one app that can handle the whole production. That is it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That is literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nera Network, links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.